How to watch TikTok live videos in picture mode. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, keep holding the TikTok icon. Now tap on app info. Now scroll down. Now tap on display over other apps. Now simply enable this toggle and go back. Now tap on picture in picture. Again enable this toggle and go back to the home screen. Now open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on live. Now wait for some time. Now tap on share at the bottom right corner. Now at the bottom menu simply scroll to the right and tap on setting and tap on background player. Now select picture in picture and go back. Now go back to the home screen and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.